Hello scholars and welcome to chemistry class. So today in chemistry class we'll be looking at a very interesting topic which is chemical combination. And under chemical combination we'll be looking at some important concepts. The first we'll be looking at is bonding. The second we'll be looking at is electrovalent or ionic bonding, and the last is covalent bonding. Now, first of all, bonding. Now, bonding put in simple terms can be described as the force of attraction that joins two or more atoms together to form a chemical compound. Now, looking at electrovalent or ionic bonding, I'm going to break it down to be very simple. Now, electrovalent or ionic bonding can be seen as a type of bonding where electrons are transferred from one atom to the other. Now, to explain this further, I'm going to be using an example. Now, the example I'm going to be using is this compound. Now, this is sodium chloride, which is also known as common salt, the salt we consume. Now, I'm going to be using sodium chloride to explain in details electrovalent or ionic bonding. Now, the electronic configuration of sodium and chlorine is as thus. The K shell of chlorine let's take it one by one. Now we'll do for sodium. The K shell, the L shell, and the M shell. The first has 2, the second has 8, and the last has 1. While for chlorine, K, L, M, the first shell, which is K, houses 2 electrons, the second houses 8, and the third houses 7. Now, to explain electrovalent bond, I'll have to draw their electronic configuration. The nucleus. Now, this is the first shell, which is the K shell, which houses a maximum amount of 2 electrons. The L shell, which houses 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now the M shell. Now the M shell of sodium houses only 1 electron. Now this is the electronic configuration of sodium. Now I'm going to draw the electronic configuration of chlorine. The nucleus, the K shell housing 2 electrons. The L shell housing 8. And the M shell housing 7. Now this is the electronic configuration of sodium chloride. Now this is the first step you take.